Good morning, students. I am Mallikarjun from Government First Grade College, Halavandi. I teach English. Today, I am going to discuss with you the poem Song of Radha, the Milkmaid. So, do you know who is Sarojini Naidu? Yes, hear that in this poem, the Song of Radha, the Milkmaid, was written by the great Indian political activist and poet Sarojini Naidu. A proponent of civil rights, women emancipation, and anti imperialistic ideas, she was an important figure in India's struggle for independence from colonial rule, and she is called Nightingale of India. Sarojini Naidu was written Song of Radha, the Milkmaid. It is deals about this poem has deals about tells us about the milkmaid Radha's love for Lord Krishna. So here in the uh, first stanza, I carried my curds to the Mathura fair. I carried my curds to the Mathura fair. How softly the high fires were lowing. So here the milkmaid carried a curds for sailing to the Mathura fair. And how she sailed for the curd, and she impressive. I think she taken impressive word to sail the curd. How softly the high fares were lowing, and I wanted to cry, who will buy? So everyone, sailors, those who came to the street, and they cry, who will buy? So as here same thing, Radha, she cried to that, who will buy my curd? But these curds that are white as the clouds in the sky, and how she impressed to the buyers. And she here that really Sarojini Naidu have compared to the whiteness of the curd as a clouds in the sky. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರೋಜಿನಿ ನಾಯ್ಡು ಅವರು ಆ ಬಿಳಿಯಾದ ಮೊಸರನ್ನು ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆಕಾಶದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಿಳಿ ಮೋಡಗಳಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ comparison by the Sarojini Naidu. And really Sarojini Naidu has given the great contribution for history of Indian English literature. And when she visited to the street, and she said, my curd was too much of white, as like looking like a clouds in the sky. And when the breezes of Shravana are blowing, at the same time she visited to the street, that the session is Shravana Masa or Shravana. In the time, the full of the good breezes come from the streets or come from each homes of the street, because everyone home has celebrating the pujas in Shravana Masa. And but Radha said, but my heart was so full of your beauty, beloved. So what it is indicated, so nobody buy her curd here, but she never bother about her selling curd, but she bothered about the Lord or beloved Krishna. So now she seeing the Lord Krishna, and those who buyers, they are laughed to see her, because they laughed as I cried without knowingly, like Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. ಅಂದರೆ ದೇವರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪಾರವಾದ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇರುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ತಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದ ಹಾಗೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಅವರು ಖುಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ದೇವರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಪಠನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಚಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ. and again next line. They laughed as I cried without knowing, Govinda, Govinda. So then, so what her love has immersed with the God. ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮರ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದೇವರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮುಳುಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅಂದರೆ ದೇವರ ಸ್ತುತಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಅವಳು ತಲೀನನಾಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದ ರಿವರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋವಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೈ ಹರ್ ಹರ್ಡ್, ಸೊ ನೌ ಶಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಿ ಆನ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಮುನಾ. In that time, Yamuna river, how softly the river was flowing, because you see that your journey, you have take the journey in the boat, how the river is making sound as a flowing river. So it is a very good sound from that as a flowing river. And this is the first stanza, and we'll go for the second stanza. I carried my pots to the Mathura tide. So again, she did not sail anything to the curd. So she carried her pots to the Mathura tide. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವಳೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಲು, ಆ ಪಾಟ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಥುರಾ ಟೈಡ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾಳೆ. How gaily the rowers were rowing. So when she went into the boat, the time gaily, it means happiness. How the river has gaily and most happily roaring the sounds and were rowing. So what the Sarojini Naidu had compared to the streaming water, so full of happy and making the good sound. And my comrades called. So now the Sarojini Naidu described the boatman. So comrades means companions. And my comrades called, "Ho, let us dance, let us sing." Those who companions called to her as join in the dancing and singing. Because and those who people, they are wear the saffron cloths to welcoming the spring session. Then we saw that in Yugadi we were wear the new dresses and welcoming the spring session. As same happened is going on in the second stanza. Those who boatmen and companions, they are wear the saffron means ಕೇಸರಿ ಕಲರ್ನ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ಧರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಸಂತ ಕಾಲವನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. And pluck the new birds that are blowing. So in the spring session, the old leaves has felt and new birds are blossom. So then happen will be going on in the spring session. But my heart was so full of your music. But here in that time, those who people are dancing and singing, she never gave the concentration on that side. Only she her heart was so full of remember her music for beloved. So beloved means Lord Krishna. The music is Lord Krishna. So people have saw me. They mocked when I cried without knowing, Govinda, Govinda. But is there also, I never see what those my comrades has doing. But I forget at the time. But my heart only remembered to my beloved God Krishna. Again I cried without knowingly, Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. And only her duty is chanting the gods. How gaily the river was flowing. Gaily means happiness. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಈ ನದಿ ಹರಿತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎರಡನೇ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಜಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಜಾ, I carried my gifts to the Mathura shrine. So here the Radha, as a curd sailor, she visited to the shrine. Shrine means temple. I carried my gift. Gift means curd. So I carried my gift to the Mathura shrine. How brightly the torches were glowing. So when she was visited to the Mathura shrine, the shrine was full of covered by the small torches, and those torches were glowing. Glowing means ಪ್ರಕಾಶಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಮಿಂಚುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಗ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್. I folded my hands at the altars to pray. So then here I folded my hands. So here that when we also when we visited to the shrine, then we fold our hands. And here that she said, I fold my hands at the altars. Altars, it means as a worshipping place. Puja sthala antanu kuda adana kariತೀವಿ. Altars to pray. Oh shining one's God, as by night and day. And she prayed to the God. What the pray? So, oh my God, oh shining ones. Shining means superior or grateful man, or grateful God. So you guard us, God, protect us by night and day. ಅಂದರೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸು ಓ ದೇವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. and loudly the conch shells were blowing, and at the same time and loudly she heard that one big sound. What is that sound? Conch means ಶಂಕು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು. So and loudly the conch shells were blowing. ಬ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಊದೋದು, ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂಥ ಪೂಜಾರಿಗಳು ಶಂಕುವನ್ನು ಊದ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ವರ್ಷಿಪ್. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವೆನ್ ಶಿ ವಾಸ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಶ್ರೈನ್, ಹರ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಸೋ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ವರ್ಷಿಪ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಳ ಹೃದಯ ಅವಳ ಒಂದು ಪೂಜಿಸುವ ಭಾವನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದು ಹೋಗಿಬಿಡ್ತೇನೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲು ಕೂಡ ಅವಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So they were worth when I cried without knowing. But again in the time in the shrine, but you are in front of me. But also I cried without knowingly. I chant your name as Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. So how brightly the river was flowing. Really in those torches, the felt on the Yamuna river, and it's how brightly the river was flowing. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೊಳಿತಾ ಆ ನದಿಯ ನೀರು ಸಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೈ viewers to patiently has seen my video. Thank you, one and all.